So, welcome back to my baking channel, and I'm going to be making vanilla cake with some strawberry filling inside or some raspberry filling inside. So the filling, I'll be showing you how to make that, and I'm gonna be having some vanilla icing. I don't make vanilla icing homemade, okay? But anyway, first you're just gonna need some cake batter, vanilla, or you guys could use chocolate, any cake batter that you would like. Then you're gonna need 1 1/3 cups of oil, vegetable oil to be kind of more better. And then you're gonna need 3 eggs. And how to show that the yolk, if it's cooked, hard-boiled, or not hard-boiled, it's raw. You spin it, then you stop it, and if it keeps on spinning a little, that means the yolk inside is spinning, so that means it isn't hard-boiled. But if you spin it and stop it and it actually stops, that means it's hard-boiled. And then you're just gonna need 1 cup of water. You're gonna need some vegetable oil spray, and you're gonna need some strawberries, some raspberries, and you're gonna need some cupcake holders over there. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, and you're gonna need a mixer. Alright guys, so I have my mixer already here, and I got this little mixer, this thingy right there. But it's not plugged in, so I can't turn it on and it will start mixing. So I'm gonna bring my bowl over here with me, and I'm gonna open my batter up. And these cupcakes is kind of like Valentine's Day, because we're gonna do something with the icing. We're gonna put maybe some of that liquidy stuff and mix it with the icing, or we're gonna put some pink dye in there with the icing. Oh my gosh, I keep on bumping my bowl. Now I'm gonna pour my mix into my bowl. And you wanna pour your mix into it like this, not like that, because then it might get all over the place. And you don't want it to get all over the place. You want to make you want your workplace to be as clean as possible when you're done with it, so you don't have to really clean it up. And then you can just do whatever you want after this. And make sure you don't throw this out if you guys are not going to watch my video, because this has the instructions on the back. So, next, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna pour your water, 1 cup of water, into your bowl, and then you're gonna want to pour your 1 1/3 cups of vegetable oil, and then you're gonna want to just put in 3 eggs. So yeah, I'll see you when I'm all done. Put in 3 eggs in there. So I'm cracking my egg, and to crack your egg, you want to make sure you get no shells. Just pat it a little bit, like 3 times on the side of your bowl, and then just throw it away. And you want to make sure if you get like eggy stuff on your hands, make sure you wash your hands. But if you don't get eggy stuff, which I'm pretty impressed that you don't on your hands, then you don't really have to wash your hands, but I will. So I cracked my 3 eggs into my bowl. Oh, this bowl is super heavy. And now you're gonna wanna mix your bowl. You're gonna wanna lock your bowl in. And then you're just gonna wanna push it down, lock it. And when you lock it, you wanna make sure that it's locked. So you wanna push up. And then you're gonna wanna put it to medium speed for I would start for 4 all the way to 4, and then once it gets kind of you don't see much flour in there, I would go up to 6. And you're just gonna want to set a timer for 2 minutes. So yeah, I'll see you guys when the batter is all done, and it's been 2 minutes. Alright guys, So 2 minutes has been done, and now I just got like this spatula thing, and now I'm just gonna scrape all the extra flour off of the sides, so I get every single like thing in there. Okay, so now I'm gonna take off this. And now that the batter is all done, you're just gonna wanna Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and bring my cupcake pan over here. And you're just gonna wanna put your paper things in here. Okay, there we go. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and fill every cupcake up, so every cupcake is about like even. So we'll see you when I'm all done filling this pan up. So guys, and also if you need a little help putting the batter in instead of carrying it all the way and the bowl's too heavy for you, you can use an ice cream scooper. Just grab a little, put some in, grab a little, put some in. So you can use that to help you put the batter in the cupcakes. Right. Alright guys, so the oven just beeped, and now I'm going to go ahead and put my cupcakes into the oven. And when you put your cupcakes in the oven, I don't really when I put my cupcakes in the oven, I don't wear an oven mitt, but when I'm taking them out of the oven, I wear an oven mitt because the metal of the cupcake pan is hot, so it might burn your hand if you touch that. So that's basically why. And when you put that in the oven, you're gonna want to set a timer for like, let me see what this is. I don't have this all ready. Okay. 3 to 5 minutes to bake. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a timer on for 3 minutes. Actually, 5 minutes because like 3 minutes is not very much. Okay, but now I'm going to go ahead and set this aside. And I'm going to go ahead and work on my strawberry filling and my raspberry filling. So with my fillings, I'm just gonna go ahead and get a small little bowl, and I'm gonna work on the strawberry fillings. So I'm just gonna put a couple strawberries in here. Okay, that should be enough strawberries. And now I'm gonna warm up the strawberries for Alright guys, so I put 8 strawberries into a pan onto the stove, and I heated, and then I put 2 tablespoons of sugar into my 8 strawberries, and my the cupcakes just got out of the oven, and you want to put the strawberry filling into the cupcakes when the cupcakes are all cool. So yeah, so I'll see you when the cupcakes are cool and when the strawberry juice in the cupcake is all done. Alright guys, so how you know is you want your mix to go all the way up to your cake paper, and so you want it to go right up to there, so you know it's perfect. So all of these I did most perfect. This one was probably the highest, and this one was probably the lowest, these two. Alright guys, and I'm back, and I've got the dipping. This is strawberry dipping, and this is raspberry dipping. I like this strawberry dipping a lot better. So what I'm gonna do with this thing, I'm only gonna do 4 cupcakes on camera, and then I'm gonna say goodbye. goodbye to you, sadly. So first I'm gonna do strawberry fillings. Okay, just pour it in there. And with the strawberry filling, you're gonna make sure that you wanna get it all the way down to the tip of there. Okay. And you're just gonna wanna cut off a little bit of that tip so you can actually kind of go into the cupcake. So I'm just gonna take my cupcake, just gonna push a little hole in there, and then I'm just gonna pour some in there. Okay, and then that's all done with. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing with the other one. Just gonna pour a little bit in there until it maybe kind of warms a little. And I just take the extra strawberry filling and I'm just gonna put it into the bowl that the filling was in. Okay. So they have fillings in them, and the icing is gonna cover it up. So I'm actually just gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll see you when I put the raspberry filling. You're just gonna do the same pipe. You're gonna do a piping bag and put the same thing with the raspberry thing in there. So I'll see you when I do the raspberry filling. All right, guys. So I've got my raspberry filling in there, and then I've got my strawberries. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some of this plastic thingy that I was talking about, and I'm just gonna get like a little piece of it. Put my cupcakes aside. So you're just gonna want to cut. I'm gonna lay mine down. Okay, so I was not thinking very well, and I decided to just cut the plastic thingy with scissors. So we're not going very well. Yeah, see, like, that's what it turned out to be like. So I'll see you when I cut like a little piece. Okay, guys, so I'm back, and I've got this plastic sheet, and what you're gonna want to do is you're just gonna want to get 2 bowls. So I have some icing here, and I have a spoon. Actually, I'm gonna get a different spoon because that spoon is flying around. And you know, maybe not a very good spoon. So I'm gonna get 2 bowls. I'm gonna put some vanilla icing in here in one bowl, and then I'm gonna put some pink icing in the other bowl. But to make the pink icing, you're just gonna put some pink dye. So I'll see you when I do that. Alright guys, so I'm back and I have my pink icing here. I don't know if you can tell it's pink, but I have my pink icing and I have my white icing. Valentine's colors. Well, I think they're Valentine's colors. Who knows? And you're just going to take a spoonful of the vanilla icing. I'm just going to make a line of the vanilla icing onto the plastic. Now I'm going to use the pink icing. I'm just going to spread it onto the foil. It's like a pattern. And you're just going to want to do 2 lines of each, so basically 4 lines. Make one more line and it's going to be pink. Line on this side. Just see which side actually kind of maybe have shorter. And I'm gonna try to put I'm gonna do like maybe like another pink line. white line. Do like 3 lines of each. Okay, so once you're done with all those lines, now you're gonna take your plastic thing and you're just gonna roll it up. Roll it up. Okay, just like that. And then you're just gonna wanna cut your extra when you hold it up. You're just gonna wanna cut your extra of that on the tip. And then I have this icing bag, and I'm gonna put this big thing into here. I'm just gonna drop it in there. Just drop it right in there. And then when you squeeze it, it's gonna be like white and pink. So that is my first cupcake. So I think that looks pretty cool. I think that looks super cool. And I'm just gonna do a raspberry one, and then I'm going to end this video. Okay. Look how cool that looks. Looks like toothpaste, kind of. So, this is my strawberry, and this is my raspberry. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye, everybody.